Hi, my name is Trey Monahan. I want to invite you to a private party at my house. It's off the beaten path. It's in the French Quarter. It's going to be great. It's going to be after a Saints game. 30th of August, right here, after the Saints beat the Titans. We're going to party in my backyard. You might have noticed there's a nice little pool. We're going to have a DJ and a barbecue. Hope that you guys do the right thing, buy a ticket, come out and play with us. See you then.